Meet Swift.
Believable. Yeah.
Yeah, let's meet Swift MES Lite, the no-code MES built for SAP S/4HANA that we're going to take a look at, built on top of the Swift platform itself. The idea is, like we've been discussing a lot, the unified user experience of one-tap operation, so that you don't bring in all that complexity that happens behind the scenes in a very robust system like SAP S/4HANA to the end user, right? Where they are just focused on doing, for example, production order confirmations. They should not be bogged down to have to go through multiple screens in order to do that. So what we're talking about here is a unified user experience that integrates, like I said, seamlessly with all the key modules, all the key processes that you already have configured in your SAP S/4HANA, and to provide that end-to-end visibility that we talked about and a seamless manufacturing execution. Now, one of the points I would like to mention is there are many ways of how you build this type of a software. One way would be to reinvent the wheel, right? Where you are trying to build a lot of stuff that already might be existing in the investments that you made in your SAP S/4HANA already. The better approach that we strongly believe is to leverage all that you already invested on. If you have a public cloud that you've invested on and you are using that for for multiple different things, you don't want to create another silo. That's one of the key things we're going to talk about. You don't want to create a business logic silo. If the business logic already exists, do not reinvent that. If you don't want to fragment that business logic, you don't want to fragment the data. You don't want to create data silos. So that's another key important part here that we're going to be talking about. From a security perspective, from a data security privacy perspective, like I mentioned, no data silos, should be secure by design. The data should stay where it belongs. Like the system of truth should stay your ERP. You should have all the compliances, the SOC 2 Type 2s and SOX compliances, and et cetera, et cetera.